Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up app lock on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Okay, to do it, we gotta open up the settings. Now, once we are here, we gotta scroll down until we find the privacy settings, and in here we have the app lock. We gotta tap on that, click on next, and now we gotta set our privacy password. You can also change the password type. Currently I'm using the pattern, but you can also select the numeric password or alphanumeric password. I'll stick to pattern in my case, and now we need to connect at least 4 dots to create a pattern. I'll create something like that. If you want to try again, click on cancel. If you want to confirm, we gotta redraw our current pattern. Then click on next. We can also set, actually we have to set the security question. You can use one of the featured ones. For example, what is your father's name? And the question answer. I'll type random numbers. And we also have assistive unlocking, and we can use our fingerprint for it. Pretty useful. And now click on next. Click on. You can also confirm. If you click on confirm, you'll be able to link your account, your INFINIX account. So for example, if you forget the password, you'll still be able to restore it. I don't have the account right now, so I'm going to skip it. If you want, you can enable that. And now to go forward, we just gotta use our fingerprint. Now draw your privacy password, and here you can select which apps you want to protect thanks to the app lock. So for example, I will use it for Instagram. Now I'll show you that if I tap, we gotta use our fingerprint or draw the pattern to launch the app. Just like that. And only now it turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.